Hello, this is math lesson video 10-9 for Friday, January 8th, 2021. If you need to pause the video at any time to answer any questions your student may have or that the video may have, you can do so at any time. Okay, let's begin.
Miko has 23 green marbles and 18 blue marbles. How many marbles does he have in all? How do you know that you need to add to solve this problem? Since you need to find how many marbles Miko has in all, you need to add the number of green marbles to the number of blue marbles. How can you show the problem?
I could use blocks, a number line, an equation, or drawings to show the problem.
This is an addition story. You can draw tens and ones to show 23 plus 18. How does this picture show tens and ones? What equation can you write for this problem? The 2 lines and 3 dots show 23. The 1 line and 8 dots show 18. You can write the equation 23 plus 18 equals. You can make a 10. How does this picture show that another 10 was made? A ring was drawn around the 3 ones in 23, and a second ring was drawn around 7 of the ones in 18. So, how many tens and ones does the picture show now?
Select your answer.
Okay, if we count these up, we see that they made one extra 10. So let's count these 10s, and then we'll have to count this 10, and then I think there's one extra. Okay, so let's count how many 10s there are. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 10s, and 1 1. So that would be the last one. 4 10s and 1 1.
The picture shows that you have 4 10s and 1 1. So, what is 23 plus 18? How many marbles does Miko have in all? 23 plus 18 equals 41. Miko has 41 marbles in all. Now you know how to model with math.
Okay, so that's what you're going to be doing today. You're going to be solving story problems using any strategy that you would like. Whichever strategy is easiest for you to help you solve these story problems, I'm fine with. Okay, you need to be in volume 2 of your math book, and you need to be on page 591. Okay, if you're on page 591, it should look like this. Let's read the directions and figure out what we have to do. It says Pam has 13 buttons. Julie gives her 10 buttons. How many buttons does Pam have in all? Use any method to solve. Draw what you did. Okay, so first let's draw a picture to help us solve the story problem out. Okay, so it says Pam has 13 buttons. So I would draw 13 buttons. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, then it says Julie gives her 10 buttons. So let's draw 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then the question asks, how many buttons does Pam have in all? Now, an easy way to do this would be just to count the buttons to figure it out. So let's start with the red ones. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So she has 23 buttons in all. Now, that's not the only way you could solve this. If you wanted to use lines and dots to solve this, you could also do that. So we'll start with 13 buttons. Look at the tens place. How many lines do we need? We just need one. And then if you look in the ones place, how many dots do we need? We need 3. 1, 2, 3. And then Julie gives her 10 buttons. So what is worth 10? Well, we know that one line is worth 10. Now all we have to do is count these up because we know we can't make a 10 because there's only 3 dots and no dots over here. So let's just count these up and see if we get the same answer as we did up here. Always start with the tens first. Ready? Go. 10, 20. Now let's count by ones. 21, 22, 23. We got the same answer, and this was a little bit faster than drawing a picture. Okay, but you do whatever strategy works for you. It does not matter to me. Okay, if you're good with that page, please turn to the next page. At the top, it just shows you the guy from the video and the example that he did, the story problem that he did. He used lines and dots to solve his. Okay, let's read the directions. It says, use drawings to show and solve the problem, then write the equation. Okay, number 1 says, Ellen has 27 stickers. Well, here's an equation down here, so let's start filling in our equation. So 27, her brother gives her 26, so we have to add 26 more to that. Her brother gives her 26 stickers. How many stickers does Ellen have in all? Okay, the book for you, they used lines and dots to figure this out. So for 27, they put 2 lines because there's a 2 in the tens place. And they looked in the ones place and put 7 ones. For 26, they put 2 lines because there's a 2 in the tens place. And then 6 ones because there's a 6 in the ones place. Were they able to make a 10? Yes, they were. So trace the circles they made. Okay, so that's a 10. Now all we have to do is count these up to figure out what 27 plus 26 is. Remember, start with the tens when you count. Okay, ready? Go. 10, 20, 30, 40. We know this is a 10, so this is 50. And then we'll count by ones. 51, 52, 53. So 27 plus 26 is 53. Okay, if you're good with that page, please look at the next page. All right, your job is to do numbers 2, 3, and 4. They give you this nice big area here to use whatever strategy it is you want to use. Like I said, it does not matter to me. Just use whatever one is best for you. Okay, so you have to do 2, 3, and 4. If you get done with those 3, you can do an extra problem or 2 on the next page, page 594. You could also do some extra problems on page 595 or 596. Now remember, you don't have to do them all. Just grab a couple, do a few, just to give you some extra practice. Okay, when you're done with your workbook pages, please do a quick check on the Savas website. Please do not get behind on those. It's hard to catch up. And that's it for today. Thank you.